What's up, Flomies? My name is Breann, and today I'm going to be showing you the prayer hands, which looks just like this. So the prayer hands is a fun little spin-off on the pizza toss, except you're just taking your non-dominant hand and creating that illusion like you are giving a little prayer up. And so literally what I'm doing is I have my dominant hand circling the star off of my fingertips, just like a normal pizza toss. And then I bring my non-dominant hand up to match it, but I'm not bringing it to match at the fingertips. It's just an illusion. So my hand is slightly lower than my dominant hand. So it's not actually touching the Flowstar. So I'll show y'all that again. And that's how I'm able to keep more control over keeping that spin going when I'm in this positioning. You can also add a fun little 360 turn underneath your star in that trick to spice it up a little bit in your flow. But yeah, that's the prayer hands. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or any other tricks that you'd like to see, please let us know in the comments. And of course, like, comment, and subscribe for more Flowstar YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy flowing. Banger.